Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about outdoor painting and the joy of painting on location. Outdoor painting, also known as plein air painting, means creating artwork outside instead of working in a studio. Artists paint directly in front of their subject and capture what they see and feel at the moment. This practice has been popular for many years and continues to inspire artists around the world. Painting on location allows artists to experience nature in a deeper way. Instead of looking at a photograph, we can observe the changing light, feel the wind, hear the sound around us, and connect with the atmosphere of a place. This experience helps us create paintings that feel more natural and alive. One of the great joy of outdoor painting is observing light and color. The colors we see in nature are always changing. The sky looks different every hour. Shadows move across the landscape, and weather conditions create new moods. By painting outdoor, artists learn to notice these changes and develop stronger observation skill. Outdoor painting also teaches us to simplify our work. Light change quickly, so we cannot focus on every small detail. Instead, we learn to identify the most important shape, values, and colors. This helps us paint with more confidence and expression. Watercolor is an excellent medium for painting on location because it is lightweight and easy to carry. A small paint set, a few brushes, some paper, and a water container are enough to start painting almost anywhere. Whether we are in a mountain, village, by a river, in a busy market, or near an old temple, watercolor allows us to capture the feeling of the moment. Painting outdoor is not always easy. Artists may face strong sunlight, wind, rain, or changing weather. Sometimes finding a comfortable place to sit can be difficult. However, these changes teach us patience, flexibility, and problem solving skills. For me, painting on a location is more than creating artwork. It is a way to slow down and appreciate the beauty around me. Every place has its own story. A quiet village path, an old stair, a flowing river, or a small temple can become a meaningful subject when we take the time to observe carefully. As an artist from Uttarakhand, I find endless inspiration in the mountains, forests, rivers, and spiritual places of my region. Painting this location helped me connect with nature and preserve the memories and culture of my homeland. Outdoor painting also create opportunities to meet people. Curious visitors often stop to watch, ask questions, and share their own experience. This simple conversation make the painting journey even more enjoyable. Most important, painting on location reminds us to live in the present moment. It encourages us to observe, listen, and appreciate the beauty that exists around us every day. In a world filled with screen and busy schedule, outdoor painting gives us a chance to reconnect with nature, with our creativity, and with ourselves. Thank you and happy painting.